Hello students, welcome back, and today we will start our new topic, and topic is covalent bond. After completion of ionic compound and properties of ionic compound, now we will learn covalent compounds. So chemical bonding. Chemical bonding, as I told you that there are two types of bond formation, and that bond formation is ionic and covalent. That is ionic and covalent. In ionic bond, there is a bond between two atoms. One is metal and other is non-metal. In ionic compound, there is a bond between metal and non-metal. Metal will lose electron and non-metal will gain electron. It will lose electron and it will gain electron. Now, covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Actually, covalent bond is mutual sharing of electrons. Covalent bond is mutual sharing of electrons. Mutual sharing of electrons. Now, how you will judge that which element have ionic bond and which one have covalent bond. So, whenever the bond is formed between a non-metal and non-metal, whenever a bond formed between two non-metals, that is non-metal and non-metal, whenever the bond is formed between non-metals and non-metals, it is always covalent bond. And whenever a bond formed between metal and non-metal, then it is a ionic bond. Now we conclude that a chemical bond. What is a chemical bond? A chemical bond is a bond by sharing of electrons between two atoms. Why they share electrons? They share electrons to complete its duplet or octet, just for stability. And for stability, octet or duplet is required. Now, there are three types of covalent bond. First is single bond represented by that single line. Second one is double bond or double covalent bond represented by two lines between two atoms. Third one is triple covalent bond between three lines between two atoms which shares electrons, right? Let's start with first one, single covalent bond. Now, single covalent bond. Single covalent bond is formed by sharing of one electron each from two atoms. Sharing of one electrons each from two atoms. Suppose that formation of chlorine molecule. How chlorine molecule formed? First of all, Cl is symbol for chlorine, having atomic number 17. write its electronic configuration 2H7. There are two chlorine atoms. For another, it's also 2H7. Simply, they require each chlorine requires one more electron to have its octet complete. It needs one more electron to complete its octet. It also need one more electron to complete its octet. Now, what will happen? Draw the structure of the electron dot structure of chlorine. Outermost have 7 electrons indicated 2, 2, 3, 2 to 4 to 6 and 1 7 electron. Second chlorine has also 7 electron in the outermost orbit. First chlorine atom need 1 electron to complete its octet. So, here second also need 1 electron to complete its octet. Now, here shared pair of electron, that is called shared pair of electron. Shared pair of electron. Here chlorine share, each chlorine share one atom and they combine with each other, and the bond formed is called single covalent bond. Why it is called single covalent bond? Because there is a single pair sharing, right? Now it becomes Cl2, or you can write Cl2 or Cl single bond Cl. That single bond represent one shared pair of electron between these two atoms. This is it is non-metal and it is also non-metal, right? Okay. Now double covalent bond. How double covalent bond is formed? Take an example of oxygen molecule, formation of oxygen molecule. How oxygen molecules formed? Electronic configuration for oxygen is 2 and 6. Means it needs 2 more electrons to complete its octet. It needs 2 more electrons to complete its octet. Now, let us draw its electron dot structure. It needs 2 more electron, 2 to 4 to 6, 2 to 4 to 6. Now, oxygen, it needs 2 more electron. Then 6 electron of first atom and 2 electron from second atom. Now, it needs 2 more electron to complete its octet, and here there are 2 shared pair of electrons. There are 2 shared pair of electrons, and we can write it also 0 double bond, that is single bond, double bond. Our third example is triple covalent bond. Third is our triple covalent bond. For example, formation of nitrogen. Formation of nitrogen molecule. How nitrogen molecule formed? Atomic number of nitrogen is how much? 7. Electronic configuration is 2, 5, right? Here nitrogen needs 3 more electron to complete its octet. Here nitrogen needs 3 more electrons to complete its octet. Nitrogen, how much? 5 electrons in outermost orbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another nitrogen atom having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons in outermost orbit. Now, nitrogen here first nitrogen need 3 more electrons to complete its octet, and second also need 3 more electrons to complete its octet. Now, there are 3 shared pair of electrons. There are 3 shared pair of electrons. We can also write it nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. Here triple bond indicates that there are 3 shared pair of electrons in it. Double bond indicates that there are 2 shared pair of electrons in it, and single line indicates that there is single pair of electrons take place.